first, we need some water in the pot, bring it to boil. Put on the heat. So let's start by chopping up the onions. I cut them through the middle and I give them little slices on the side. Next we'll chop up our garlic. Don't need to cut it too fine because it's going to be frying up in the pan. Spray the onions. The garden. Just take the onions off. We have our chili. And finally we have our thyme. Okay. Goody goody. So next thing to do is start to make the sauce. Alright, so you put your pot on the heat and you throw in a bit of olive oil, throw in a bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and you can throw in the onions and start to give this all a little whirl. Get it coated with the olive oil. You throw in the rest of the ingredients now. Alrighty, so once you get the nice sear on like this, a bit of color on all the veggies, you can start with your tuna. And don't throw the water away that's in here. This is very good. I'm going to add this juice to the sauce. So here you go. You've added in the tuna at this point. Okay. What you do is you just break it up into small pieces. So now we'll do the spaghetti. As I said, this is a finer spaghetti, so very thin. So here we are with the spaghetti. It's been about 7-8 minutes. It's getting there. Wait a little bit more time. Okay, so now what we'll do is we're going to strain the spaghetti. Just do that. Put it straight back in the pot so that it has some juice and some steam still going through it, which is always good. Keeps it moist. Okay, so now let's put our plate together. Take some spaghetti, put it on our lovely plate. Okay. Next thing to do is put some of our lovely tuna sauce. There, my friends, something very, very nice.